Hi, welcome to another episode of me. I'm now in the US. You can see behind me is the Best Buy here. Today I'm going to pick up something. Hello, welcome to another episode of me. I'm now at Best Buy, and this is the first time I come here, despite being hearing this shop, this name in Malaysia many years ago. And this is everything here is basically about electronics and home appliances. Yes.做什么？
想买 GoPro。
这个很久了的这个。
你去买，在这里买。
买这个。
买Garmin。
买Garmin。
Garmin OK。
Garmin OK 啦。OK 啦。
You all set?
Alright, all set. So I'm good. Okay, thank you very much. Alright. So finish my pickup. I bought 2 items. One is the Garmin Forerunner 265 and this one is the Targus laptop bag. Premium outlet. Okay. I'm now at St. Augustine Premium Outlet because just now I'm at the Best Buy and accidentally met with a friend from my company. And he said he decided to come here to buy something. Oh, so let's go because tonight. So here we are now at St. Augustine Outlet Premium Outlet. Oh, this outlet is exceptionally big because I thought it was just the other side, and when I make a turn here there is even more tenants on this side. Okay, now let's walk back because I don't want to get lost with my friends. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Asics, my favorite running shoe. This one.
Okay, saying that one?
You mean that design or this design?
And one of those, because these are similar to that one.
Oh, this one's similar?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
All right, made some purchase from Skechers. The second pair for 50% off. Okay, that's the day, and we are heading back home. Now it's 9 o'clock. All right, just came back from Augustine. And today is, actually yesterday is the Black Friday. And it's a shopping spree. And the day before that is Thanksgiving. So anyway, that's all for today. That's all for this episode. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have anything to say, please leave it down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next episode.